What we work through as the bridge team is just the dynamic nature of what we do at sea. And there are challenges every single day, but how we work through them is by sticking to our procedures and sticking to our training. So my name is Lieutenant Elizabeth Wayne. I'm the Assistant Navigator on board George Washington. I report directly to the Navigator and the commanding officer for the safe navigation of the ship, where we're going, what we're doing. As part of that role, I also train the bridge watch officers, so everybody that stands watch on the bridge is prepared to safely navigate the ship, both in peacetime and in combat. We are bound by several different policies and publications. Number one that the bridge watch standers love and love to hate is the rules of the road. So that is basically the international traffic laws at sea. That's something that we're bound by, and then the Navy has a host of other publications for how to safely drive an aircraft carrier and what our policies are on board George Washington specific to our commanding officer as well. All the time when we're navigating, we are focused outside of the ship on anything that could pose a hazard or a threat to the ship. So our bridge watch standers are locked in. They are looking at the radar. They have a host of other sensors, and we're looking out the windows. We're making sure that we are identifying everything that we might interact with, and that is an absolutely critical part of the bridge watch. Communication is absolutely critical on the bridge, both between the officer of the deck and everybody else on the ship that she's directing, but also specifically between the conning officer and the helmsman, so the folks driving the ship and actually putting inputs into the rudder and the engines. In addition, when we're in a special evolution, when we're conducting flight operations, the most important thing is to make sure that we are lockstep with Air Boss, the captain, the command duty officer underway. Everybody needs to be on the same page to execute that safely. The thing I'm the most proud of is the sailors. So watching a brand new sailor fresh out of boot camp and A school show up here and learn how to drive an aircraft carrier or become the quartermaster of the watch responsible for safe navigation, that is just the most incredible thing to see. And it's really a testament both to the quality of our sailors, but also the quality of our training. We had a sailor get qualified as a master helmsman on board, who, once we handed him his cover, he says, "I have never driven anything else in my life other than this aircraft carrier." It's pretty mind-boggling.